Hey, welcome back to Black Lab Garage. Well, I'm always shopping for deals because, these days and times of woe and want and being the single parent of two four-legged kids, I gotta save money where I can. So I want to show you some deals that I found, and I'm actually going to share one of them with you. I want to show you where to get an incredible deal on a good fuel pump. Are you ready? Come on, let's get into it. You want to get into it? You'd rather sleep? Let me guess. Ditto. Okay. Okay, one of the first really good bargains that I found, because I tell you people all the time, people sell stuff every day not knowing what it is. They've got a part number. They list it by the part number. It's not going to tell you the application or anything. It's just listed on eBay or somewhere just by the part number. That's why I sit down and I'll get a piece of paper, and if I'm needing a particular part, I write down all the part numbers I can find for the same part. Like I'll write down the seal power number, speed pro number, cleveite number, seal, all the different numbers I can find and search by the numbers. Okay. Well, I found some lifters, but not just any lifter. Now these look just like a regular small block Ford lifter, except here at rattle. See that snap ring? These are small block Ford solid lifters. Now, looking on Summit, a set of Howard's small block Ford solid lifters are $232 now. Now you can see these are Speed Pros, which they're in two different type boxes if it's the same lifter. See, here's another one of the older style boxes. But same lifter, same part number and everything, just two different boxes they use throughout the run. But look, made in USA. So these were made when you can still get good American-made lifters. So we're not going to have to worry about, flattening the cam lobe or anything from inferior lifters. These are good ones. And the best part is I got all 16 lifters, brand new, for $49. Yes, you heard that right. $49. I mean, it's a bargain. And guaranteed they're going to be good lifters. Now the next bargain is an oil filter. Rock Auto had these. I have a lot of Fords, so I use a lot of the FL1A oil filters. Go down to your local O'Reilly's. They're $14.99 a piece for an oil filter. Okay, and I won't use Frams or anything, so don't even get me started on those. If I can't get a Motorcraft, then I'll get a Wix, and Wix is priced just about there with the FL1As. So, but check this out. Notice that doesn't say FL1A, it's FL1HP. This is the Ford racing filter that they offered. Has a lot thicker case than a regular FL1A. It's a really, really good filter. And Rock Auto had these for $7.40. Half the price of an FL1A that I can buy locally. And it's a better filter. And the FL1A is a good filter. This is an even better filter. For half the money. Now, the last bargain of the week that I'm going to show you is a fuel pump. Okay, a lot of people are going to electric fuel pumps, and that's fine if you want to go to electric. A lot of people are buying those little clickety clack pumps. Those things are junk. And they're expensive junk. I bought one from O'Reilly's. It was a Mr. Gasket. It was brand new. It never even pumped the first drop of gas. Not one drop. It run. Made a nice noise. Didn't pump a first drop. So I looked just now, and the Mr. Gasket, because as far as I know, that's the cheapest clickety clack pump you can buy. They're $61.95 at Summit Racing. Let me show you a better pump. In this box right here. This is the Carter P4600 HP. Now, as you can see right there, it's also made in USA. They're a universal pump. They work for both gas and diesel. Carter's been making these for a long time. As you can see, somebody decided to get comfy on the couch behind me. Anyway, I looked up this fuel pump on Summit Racing just now. They are $179.99. I also looked the same fuel pump up on Rock Auto, and it was $80.97. Now, what if I told you could get the same fuel pump for $29? Yes, that's right. A good Carter USA made electric fuel pump for $29. The only difference is this one does not come with a fitting that goes, for the in and out, and it doesn't come with that bracket. Because if you look at the picture on Summit, it has the fitting and the bracket. But I think for $150 less, I'm pretty sure I can fab up a bracket and get 2 fittings from local O'Reilly's. And, have maybe $15 in all of it. I think I'll do that and save the $150, because I needed one of these for my dune buggy that y'all have never seen and never heard about until now. But so where do you get this fuel pump? I'll tell you where, and I'll post a link to it in this video or in the comments. Go to surpluscenter.com. They have these fuel pumps for $29. But I hope this helps some of you, and I hope it helps you save some money. As I find stuff like this, I'll pass it along to you, because I like saving money. I know there's some of you out there trying to put stuff together on a shoestring budget. Trust me, I get it. So as I find bargains and stuff, because like the lifters, that was they only had one set. But as I find stuff where they have, several of the items at that price, I'll pass it along to you to help some of you out. So be sure and hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Me and the pups will be back with another one. And listen to more Goose Creek. Tell them, baby. You want to tell them? No? All right. See you.